First of all, you will receive the machine like that. They get a one tool screwdriver like that, screws, handle, perforating and the trimming blade, the perforating and trimming blade holder, and some structures of this. Now I'm telling you how to install it. First, you have to find a screw first. First of all, you have to prepare a screwdriver by yourself. And now I'm telling you how to install it. Find the plant. They got a plant like that. One is in the right, one is in the left. See, the plant is a little bit special, as curved. And now move to this side. See, it's curved. Put over there. This side get a 4 screw. The holes for the 4 screws, then the holes for the 4 screws. Okay, and put over there. Then you have to find the 4 screws and put inside it one by one. Put it inside it one by one, and then install it like exactly the right side did. See, one is kept over there. Second, you have to find a plant like this and installing. See, here got 2 screw holes over there. There got 2 screws hole over there. Then put the screws, put the plant over this, and put the screw over this side, and install it one by one, and then install it at exactly this one did. One is for the left, one is for the right. And now you have to find the perforating blade. See, the perforating blade is installed in the left side. The steel roll and the trimming blade, 2 screws with plant, and the tool packet. Find the big one. See, and then find this steel roll and the perforating blade. Put it in the left. Make sure this side is inside of this, and put it in. So finish the installation is like that. This side is the perforating blade, the left side perforating blade, and this side is trimming blade. Make sure this 2 bottle is inside over there. Then put the over this and find the screw. This one. Put it. Lock it. And the other side too. And this the other side too. The other side. Find the screw. Lock it. Use this one to straight lock it. And the most important, you have to see, make sure this, this gaps, you have to leave this gap in front of the ear. There got a gap over this steel roll up and in front of this ear. Because this one is to using, see, this is can moved. This one can move to lock and loosen. The next step, find the 2 handle and the tools. Find the middle one. The middle one. Okay, and then move to here. See, the 2 handles got a gaps over there. This one is over there. So what we have to make sure is that first, the smaller one is in here. It's the back of the machine. It's installed in the back of the machine. Lock it and put it over there. The big one is in this one. You see, it's moving to here. It's installed in here. And make sure, the most important is that you have to make sure the screw is to the gap. Make sure the screw is to the gap. That's very important.